overall, in regards to how they train you and teach you, it's like they're very in-depth, they're very hot on health and safety, they're very informative. They give you as much information as they actually can to make sure that you're doing well. The training that I've actually been through, it's been in the actual office itself. That's the health and safety, explaining to you in regards to all the mechanics of it and all the controls and stuff. And then in regards to the practical aspect of it, it was just around this unit. I had my counterbalance training, and then I had my reach training. I wouldn't recommend anyone else to go anywhere else, to be honest, because the way that they actually train you is their approach. They're very detailed in regards to how they actually train you up. There's a lot of information there. You don't feel awkward asking any questions. You don't feel uncomfortable. It's like you can fire as many questions as you want. You want to get comfortable with it, and they put that time and the effort into you.